If your laundry basket could talk, it wouldn't just complain about missing socks. It'd whisper, "Please stop throwing sweaty gym shorts on top of clean shirts. I'm suffocating in bacteria." Yep, that cozy basket in your room. It's less of a storage spot and more like a microbe Airbnb with no checkout time. Today, we're diving nose first into the surprisingly nasty world of laundry baskets. You think it's just a harmless pile of dirty clothes. But to microbes, it's the perfect love nest. Warm, moist, and full of food. And by food, I mean sweat, skin cells, and, let's just say, whatever your underwear has been through. So let's pull back the lid, metaphorically please, and see what's really thriving in there. 1. The sweat spa. When you sweat into clothes, you're not just soaking fabric, you're feeding bacteria like Corynebacterium and Staphylococcus. These guys chow down on sweat proteins and fats, then burp out odor molecules. That funky gym clothes smell, yeah, that's basically bacterial aftershave. 2. The sock t-shirt shuffle. Ever toss dirty socks or underwear on top of yesterday's still wearable shirt? Congrats, you just staged a bacterial meet cute. Scientists have actually swabbed laundry baskets and found fecal bacteria like E. coli and Enterococcus hanging out. Now, most strains aren't harmful, but some are linked to food poisoning. Either way, they're not exactly fashion accessories, so when you grab that just one more day shirt from the pile, you might also be accessorizing with traces of poop particles. 3. The damp towel disaster. Moisture is microbe catnip. Toss in a damp towel or swimsuit, and within 24 to 48 hours, mold spores can start multiplying, turning your hamper into a musty teenage bedroom time capsule. Some molds even release allergens, meaning your laundry basket could literally be launching microscopic sneeze grenades. 4. Microbes that survive the wash. Think a hot wash solves everything. Well, kind of. Most bacteria die off with hot water and detergent, but some, like Staphylococcus aureus, can cling to fabric fibers during cooler cycles or overloaded washes. And here's the kicker. Washing machines themselves can become microbe hangouts, with bacteria like Pseudomonas and Klebsiella detected in their drums. Translation: today's underwear party might just RSVP for next week's bedsheets. 5. Laundry basket materials. Matter fabric versus plastic baskets. Does it make a difference? Yep. Fabric hampers trap moisture and hold odors longer. Plastic baskets let things air out a bit better. But here's the thing. If you've never actually cleaned your basket, congratulations. It's probably old enough to throw itself a microbial birthday party. 6. The relatable yuck test. You pick up your favorite hoodie, give it the old sniff test and think, good enough. But here's the catch. Your nose can't smell staph, fecal bacteria, or yeast. The sniff test isn't a safety test. It's just an illusion your brain is happy to believe. So what do? Wash sweaty clothes sooner rather than later. Don't toss damp towels into the pile. Once a month, scrub your basket. Yes, even the plastic ones. And if you're brave, switch to an open basket so your laundry can breathe. Just maybe not in the living room. So is your laundry basket a germ breeding ground? Absolutely. But hey, now you've got the inside scoop. What's the grossest thing you've ever pulled out of your laundry pile? Drop it in the comments. I promise I won't judge. And hit subscribe, because next time we're raiding your fridge to see what's really growing in there. Spoiler, it's not just last week's leftovers.